Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing I bought my cat clothing haul. Yeah, he is not gonna love this, but I think we all really will. I do have treats as bribery and bags because he loves chewing on bags, so he has no idea. Let's not spoil it. Yeah, you're gonna look like such a prince. Okay, so I got everything on eBay for under $5. I haven't opened any of it yet. I have a feeling it's not gonna fit him just because eBay typically doesn't. I bought him dog clothes because I don't make a lot of cat clothes. I wonder why. And I got him size larges, I think, because he is a large cat, and since I think it will run small, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it fits. The bags are really tiny though. I'm not sure how this is gonna fit him. I don't know. I wonder if this is like the tuxedo. Oh my, whoa. That is not a size large. Where are you going? Oh, bags, here. Over here. That's not gonna fit him. And a little cape, oh my gosh. This is the Batman Teddy Clothes Pet Clothing Jacket Cute Outfit Costume Dog Puppy. I'm gonna go put it on. Look at him, oh. That's not what I thought it was supposed to look. Okay, I mean, it doesn't fit him, but still. Look at it, it's a Batman kitty. A Batman. You want a treat? Because you have that on. And, oh, looky. I'll get you a treat. Yeah. It doesn't seem to bother him. Oh, there you go. No more. Well, there will be more. I have, because this is wasteful, Anthony has a little dog, and he's a lot smaller than Chester, and I think these were gonna look adorable for him. I might do a fashion show with him later. Oh, I think this is the tuxedo one. He is not gonna wanna get in this. In a size medium. Maybe I got mediums. I don't know, I was thinking I got larges. Oh my gosh. Oh, hot with exclamation points. Set Prince tuxedo t-shirt, dog's cat, pet clothes jumpsuit, outfit, bow tie number 78 for $3.99. He has no idea what's coming. It's gonna be a little bit of a struggle to get him in this, but I think he might actually fit. I'm prepared to get bitten on this one. Okay, that's it. It's enough. Oh, you're so sad. Okay. Hold on. Oh, you're okay. Oh, here, looky. I got more treaties. Oh, yeah. I only got one leg in. There you go. There you go. Good. Oh, I like this one. Yeah, this is a good one. Mm-hmm. Outfit number 3. He really didn't like getting that one off. Bumblebee. I remember this one. What size did I get? It doesn't say. So far the quality's been pretty good for only being $3 on most of these. How much was this one? This is the Lovely Pet Bee Apparel Coat Hoodie Costume for Puppy Cute Dog. $1.89. This was so worth $1.89. Well, we'll see if Chester agrees with that. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Oh, oh, you get a treat. You get a treat for that. Look at a good kitty. What a good kitty. Okay, we take that off. We take that off. We take I'm pretty sure if he could call CPS right now, he would. Okay, fourth outfit. That was an adorable one. They all fit him, it's just because he has so much fur. I feel like it's a little tight, so like some of them I'm not buttoning. But he's a small cat underneath that fur. I promise you, he's like a very healthy weight. He's 10 pounds. What did I buy you? Ugh, this I think might just be like a polo shirt. And I remember getting him orange. This is not what I ordered, that makes sense. Okay. Pet dog, cat, puppy, polo, t-shirt, suit, clothes, outfit, apparel, coat, tops, candy color. I ordered it in blue and it came in this nice neon orange and it was only $2.51. You're gonna look like such a country club boy. Maybe you're gonna join a fraternity later on. Drink a couple Brewsters. So this is a nice polo shirt. That's gonna be hard to get on because it doesn't have button enclosure, so you have to like slide it over his head, so let's try it. P.S. If any of you guys think I'm abusing this cat, he loves me. And this is just like me being a really good mom to him. I buy him things. You can't find your arm. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna do that one, are we? Let's take it off. Take that off. Yeah, that wasn't good, was it? That did not fit. Stop swinging your tail. You don't hate this as much as you think you do. One more. Let's open it. Ooh, plaid. For when you want to go out on the farm, ride a few horses. Got a size large. Good job, Brittany. So, I think this will fit. And it's buttoned all the way down, which is great. Well, like snap closure. This is the dog's pet clothes autumn vest, Latisse puppy flower outfit, skirt, cotton costumes for $2.29. Interesting title. He knows. Last one. This one fits nice. So that was the very end of buying my cat clothes. He actually doesn't seem to mind this one, which surprises me. Okay, goodbye. You guys always say you want to see more Chester, so I'm trying to give you what you want. Let me know in the comments below what future videos you would like to see. I also am going to be doing more declutter with me videos, which I know a lot of you are wanting. And other than that, I'm going to donate these clothes. See if Coco wants any of them. And take Chester out of that shirt. And then I'll just give him a lot of sorries and I love yous and I'll be okay. Leave me in the comments below which one was your favorite and I'll see you guys really soon. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Love you very much. Goodbye.